Hey everybody! I just want to make a really quick video on Craigslist. So there's been talk about how to post on Craigslist, and we've talked about that you can do two different things on Craigslist, two different ways to find clients. All right, so one of them is posting your services in the financial section under services. So services, financial, and you would actually post your services here. So you'd create an account, and then you'd post your services up here, and you can see a lot of people have done it. And you can see the date. This is San Diego. So some areas will have more stuff than others, more populated areas. So that's one way you can post your services on Craigslist for people that go on to Craigslist that are looking for a bookkeeper. We'll search bookkeeper, search this area, the services section for a bookkeeper, and they can find you here. I recommend doing that once a week on a consistent basis. Also, let's go back. You can search the jobs. So up here in jobs, under accounting and finance, you can search the jobs that businesses have posted out there. So you can just go in here and you can look up bookkeeper. Let's see. And you can mess around with the different search. Let's see what bookkeeper comes back with. So yeah, see all these. So you just scroll through here, click on each of them. See, like here, this says remote. So boom. So these are businesses looking for bookkeepers. You can also, let's see, so bookkeeping. But I would drill down into each of them. Right here, it says remote. So they're getting hip to put it in the remote, to put it in the title. But I would drill down into each of them, and you can even if they don't say anything about being remote, if one of them sounds good, you can still contact them and see if they're open to being having a remote bookkeeper. So, anyways, that's the quick video for today, and hopefully it's helpful. I would check this every single morning when you're getting your coffee, if you can do that. All right. I hope you have a good day. Bye.